Welcome to Niger Voice Television, where we give voice to the unheard.
Former presidential candidate of the Labour Party, Peter Obi, condemned the acts of his brother's property that was destroyed. He said they are going to meet in court, that right now he is totally sad, that this is injustice and unlawful. Here are more details.
They didn't even allow anybody to remove anything. You can go. They didn't allow anybody to remove anything. You can see the equipment that are here. You can see things that are here. Nobody could remove anything. Is that how a country works? They just came suddenly, started demolition. You know, if my brother didn't have a brother like me, they would. He wanted to enter here. They say, no, you can't enter. We have court injunction. What about court injunction that allows somebody to enter into another person's property, refuse him for removing his things and everything, and demolition everywhere? What about court injunction is that? We have finished the country. I have peacefully went to court. No quarrel, no issues. We will.
Welcome to Niger Voice Television, where we give voice to the unheard.